Okay, please let me continue. Right? Numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. Okay, numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. Can anyone tell me why numerical solution is required? Anyone? Can anyone tell me why it is required to solve the differential equations numerically? Is it not possible to solve the differential equation by classical method, analytic method? Right? You remember the differential equation, na? For example, say I have dy by dx equal to say x by y. How to solve this? Y dy equal to x dx. Right? Now variables are separated, therefore we have to integrate on both sides. And whenever we are integrating, we have to add a constant. So y square divided by 2 equal to x square divided by 2. And let me add the constant conveniently. Okay. And therefore we have y square minus x square equal to c. This is the solution. This is general solution. Hope everyone remember what the general solution is. Order equal to number of arbitrary constant. Order is one arbitrary constant. Therefore it is general solution. And say if initial condition is given y of 0 equal to say 5, for example. So it means that y of 0 equal to 5. What is meaning of this? When x equal to 0, y equal to 5. Okay, so it is 25. I am substituting values here. 25 minus 0 equal to c. Okay, so c equal to 25. C is to be substituted above. Therefore, y square minus x square equal to 25. This is particular solution. Particular solution, right? I think everyone understand this. So now see, if I have different values of x, if x equal to 1, I can find value of y. Okay. If x equal to say 1.3, right? Whatever the value of x, I can find the value of y and so on, right? This is known as analytic solution. Analytic or classical solution. समझ में आ रहा है ना आपको? इसको एनालिटिक सॉल्यूशन बोलते हैं. So it is valid for what? It is valid for all values of x and y. So if x is given, we can find y, or other way around. If y is given, we can find corresponding value of x. But in case of numerical solution, it is not so. We'll get a value for a particular value of x only. But then also the numerical methods are very famous in industry. Practically they are very famous. So question is why they are famous? Why the numerical methods are required? Anyone? Yes. अरे कोई बता सकता है या नहीं? कुछ पता है या नहीं न्यूमेरिकल मेथड्स के बारे में? क्यों न्यूमेरिकल मेथड की जरूरत है? यस, कुछ तो बताओ. अच्छा ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ e raised to x? Fast. E raised to x. Right? Tell me what is integration of e raised to x square 2x dx. ये भी कर सकते हैं. t equal to x square लिया, therefore dt equal to 2x dx है ना? 2x dx equal to dt, and e raised to x square, that is e raised to t. What is integration of e raised to t? E raised to t, that is e raised to x square, right? But we cannot solve this. It is not possible to solve this integral, right? Now why we are taking this integral? Say let dy by dx equal to e raised to x square ऐसा डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है. Okay, and we want to solve it. So we'll separate the variables. Dy equal to e raised to x square d square. And what the next step is? Integrate this. But we cannot integrate. That is analytic solution is not possible. समझते कि नहीं? We cannot solve the differential equation by any method analytically and classically. And then in that case, what the solution is, what the alternative is? Numerical solution is only alternative. So many times the differential equations cannot be solved in analytic form, one. And second, solving the differential equation analytically is very lengthy. Getting my point? Okay. In that case, we have to use the numerical method. Okay. So now what the numerical methods are? Okay. So we'll understand. Okay. Clear da? समझ में आ गया ना? Why numerical methods are required? Okay. Right. Here, now write with me. Our aim.
Sir, page.
Sorry. Here our aim is to solve ODE, ordinary differential equations. Right now, our aim is to solve the ODE. Then below that, write down. There are two methods. Write down. Two methods. Right, one. Single step method. Modified Eulers. RK second order. Okay. These are the four methods inside the single step method. What is single step method and what is multi-step method? We'll understand. Predictor corrector method. Milnes. Adams-Moultons. So we'll start with the single step method. Okay. Right, one. Euler's method. Oh, next week मध्ये start. Euler's method. अच्छा, Taylor's series expansion, do you remember? अरे याद है क्या किसी को? Anyone remember it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is expansion of f of x?
F of
In
x
powers
is
of
equal to
x naught. F
f of 0 plus x into f dash of 0 plus x square upon 2 factorial into f double dash of
that
0.
is correct. That is Maclaurin's. Okay, no problem. At least you remember what type of series is there. Hope you remember. Okay. Yes, understood.
Sir, with the y of double of x naught.
Sorry. Okay, y double dash of x one, absolutely. So see, what I want to do now, I don't want to consider the terms after the square of this x minus x naught. Okay, so I'll consider this as an error. So this is error. I want to simplify now. So I'll consider y of x, that is y only, equal to y of x naught plus x minus x naught into y dash of x naught plus order of x minus x naught square. Remaining terms, they are x naught square, x naught cube, x minus x naught raised to 4 and so on. Okay, I'm considering that as an error. So now I'll consider these terms only. Yeah, hope everyone is getting this. Okay. So now I want to consider that in case of Euler's method. Okay. So now formally we'll try to understand what the Euler's method is. Getting that? We'll try to understand what the Euler's method is. Okay. Just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. So I have to change the page. Previous was 46, 47, 48. No, 48. Right. To solve, so this is the initial value. Okay, so by Euler's method, suppose y equal to f of x is the solution of differential equation. Okay, now we have to find what this x and y are there. Okay, so our aim is to find x and y. So right, first value is x naught, y naught, given in the example. Next value of x, that is x1, x naught plus h, small increment in x, whereas y1 equal to y naught plus h, f of x naught y naught. Okay, whereas x2 equal to x1 plus h, and now so on. In this way, we will get different values. And see, at any moment, say we want to find x3 and y3. They depends upon x2 and y2 only. So at a particular step, the values of x and y depends upon only previous step, only previous single step, right now? So known as single step methods. So we are not written that y3 equal to y naught plus y1 plus y naught. We are not written in that way. So it does not depend upon previous three values, depends upon previous single value only. So known as single step methods. Once we'll go through example, it will be clear. Examples. Use Euler's method to solve tabulate y yes. Okay, we'll solve the example. Here right now. We want to understand meaning of this. See, we want to find the values of y corresponding to x equal to 0 to x equal to 0.5. But what is increment in x? 0.1. So what is the h? 0.1. This is the value of h. H is 0.1. Getting everyone? So now start with the x1. X naught plus h. X naught is 0, h is 0.1. So when x is 0.1, now we are finding corresponding value of y. Y1. What is y1? Y naught plus h f of x naught y naught. H. What is f of xy? Here it is. Here it is. F of xy is 1 plus xy. So x naught y naught 1 plus x naught y naught. Okay. Now what is y naught here? Here we have x naught, here we have y naught. So y naught is 1, h is 0.1, isn't it? 1 plus, what is the x naught? 0. What is the y naught? 1. Yes, do the calculations. So 1.1. Okay. So now we know the x1, right? This is solution of the differential equation. When x1 is 0.1, corresponding value of y1 is 1.1. Hope you are getting it. Okay. One solution was x naught, y naught. When x equal to 0, y equal to 1. That was given in example. Now we obtain one more solution. When x1 is 0.1, y1 is 1.1. Okay. So I'll go to the next page. Have you written everything? Understood what we are doing? Our aim is to solve the differential equation. Solution of differential equation means y equal to function of x, or we have to find value of y and x. That we are doing, right? So we obtain x1 equal to 0.1 and corresponding value of y is 1.1. Getting there? We obtain one solution. I will go to the second one. So let me go through the next page. Any doubt on this page? Okay. So these are the values at this moment we have. We obtain x1 also. We obtain corresponding value of y1 also. This is what we have written on the previous page. I am writing those things only. Okay. Now we want to find the next value, x2. Tell me what is x2? x1 plus h. Yes, use calcium and tell me what the value is. So 0.11, 1.11, 0.111, 1.211. Please check this. I don't have calcium, so please check that. So we have x2 and we have corresponding value of y.
तर माझ्यात 2.21 आलं.
चुकलं मग ना, काहीतरी चुकलं असेल तुझं. मॅन्युअली कर ना, कशाला कॅल्सी यूज करायचं. हे तू 0.1 घेतलं नसशील.
येतं ना.
हे राजा का असं करतेस? थांब मी करतो. हे बघ 1.1, 0.1 या दोघांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन 0.11 बरोबर, आणि हे 1 ऍड कर. काय आलं? 1.11. 1.1 प्लस ह्याला 0.111 आलं. 1.211 आलं. काय त्यात काय डिफिकल्ट आहे?
ओके सर.
Okay, next one, x3. y3. Yeah, please you use the calcium. Let me what the answer is.
1.33522. 1.3352.
This is correct. Okay. I'll go to the next page. We want to find up to 0.5 na x equal to 0.5. So two more values are required. Please repeat the same steps and find two more values. Go ahead, find two more values. Yes, for the y4 is
1.4753.
okay. X4 y4.
One point six three four three.
Yes, in this way we are able to solve the differential equation. Now we have to write all the values in table. One minute only. I'm changing the repeat. x0 y1 x.1 y is 1.1 x.2 y is 1.211. Yes, this is the solution of given differential equation. For different values of x, we'll get different values of y. Why? As in previous case, the answer was converging. Here, it is not expected that answer will converge. समझते का डिफरेंस समझते का? अरे जो लास्ट एग्जांपल था ना, उसमें क्या कर रहे थे? What was our aim? Our aim was to find unknowns x1, x2, x3. Here, our aim is not to find a single value of x or single value of y. We want to find different values of y's for given value of x. So, no doubt the values will be different. Don't think that answer is not converging. आंसर कन्वर्ज नहीं होगा, कन्वर्ज नहीं होना चाहिए, कन्वर्जेंस की यहाँ पे जरूरत ही नहीं है. गेटिंग एवरीवन? इतना मैथ समझ में आता है? अरे ये जो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है ना, उसका सॉल्यूशन क्या रहेगा? y इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एक्स रहेगा ना. तो ये एफ ऑफ एक्स है और x यहाँ पे है. whenever x is 0 y is 1, whenever x is 0.3 y is 1.3352. ऐसे है. So it will not converge. जबते कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
ओके ग्रेट. चलो नेक्स्ट. कल पढ़ते हैं. कल टाइम है आपको?
Yes, sir.
कल ऑयलर्स एंड मॉडिफाइड ऑयलर्स मेथड, ये दो खत्म करेंगे. कल क्या है? कल फ्राइडे है क्या?
यस सर.
हाँ, तो कल टॉपिक ही खत्म करना है. सैटरडे शायद हम कुछ नहीं रखेंगे. सैटरडे विल हैव अ टेस्ट ऑन यूनिट नंबर 1. एमसीक्यू टेस्ट विल बी देयर. तो कल 9:30 स्टार्ट करते हैं. ठीक है? Okay, thank you. We'll try to complete everything tomorrow from the numerical methods, and from the next week we'll start with the unit number 3. This weekend we have a test on unit number 1. Next weekend we have a test on unit number 2. Okay, like this. Okay, thank you. Then maths project, please work on that. Now I have shared the list where your PBL groups are there. So it is the responsibility of every group leader to decide the topic as early as possible. Please do that on priority basis. Do it by today only. Okay, decide the topic and then we'll have remaining discussion. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
थँक यू सर.
तर गुगल शीट आहे ती एडिट केलं तर चालेल का?
Correct.
नाही म्हणजे आमचे नावं टाकतो आम्ही.